Hey, what's up guys? Bodie here from BodieDavison.com. In today's video, we're going to do a Placeit.net tutorial. So Placeit.net for t-shirt designs, how to create t-shirt designs on Placeit.net. If you're new to the channel, I like to talk about print on demand and making money online. So make sure you check out the channel, check out the playlist, have a look at my links down below the video. I've got the free Facebook group that you can join up to as well, and make sure you hit subscribe. Alright, so here we are on Placeit.net, and I do have a discount for this down below, which will get you 15% off, I believe. This website's been expanding and expanding over the years, and they're up to 469 pages here now. I remember when it was only about 150, so they just keep adding and adding and adding so much more stuff to this, and that's why I thought I would do a new tutorial going through all the things that you can do to create t-shirts on Placeit.net. So there's really two main ways that I use it. You can go designs and you can go t-shirt designs, and we'll open that in a tab. And then you can also use logos. So if we just go logo maker, I'll show you that in a minute. So here's the t-shirt designs here, and you have a lot of different ones. As you scroll over them, it's going to start showing you different variations that you can do, but you can customize everything any way that you want. So just whatever you see here doesn't mean you have to do it that way. You can literally customize everything. So lots of cool anime ones there. And there's pages and pages. Again, 379 pages just of t-shirt designs here. And they're constantly adding more and more. So this one looks pretty cool here. Let's open it up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we are with it loaded up. Up on the left here, you can see that is for the text. So we can even turn that off if we don't like it. And you can change the font here. Lots of different fonts that you can go through, so you can change all of that. You can go to more fonts, and then there's heaps more fonts here as well. So definitely no shortage of fonts. And if you want to do just a font only t-shirt or text-based design t-shirt, there's lots of cool fonts that you can use on here, and you don't have to have any sort of pictures on there or anything like that. So then you can change the text color. You've got different colors. You can go more and go make it more of a custom color with that. And same thing down here, you can turn any of these off, you can add more text, and you can upload a logo as well. So very customizable, which is really, really handy. Over here you can see you've got left frame color, so we can change that. You've got right frame color, you've got the actual frame color, and you've got the background. So the cool thing with this and making any t-shirt designs on here is you can change this to transparent background, and then you can just have this show up on the shirt. So that'll be transparent where it's checker plated there. Now what you can see here is the graphic that it's got pulled up is search vintage halftone old school. So there's lots and lots of different graphics that they have on here. So if we click on this one, we can change that, and we can start editing all these things as well. So we can change the color of the backdrop, and then we can change what the backdrop is. So let's say we went with this one. You can see that it changes the backdrop there. Let's say that we wanted to change this and just go like a cat picture, and it's going to show up with heaps of different cat pictures. Whatever you start off with, you don't have to use for your t-shirt design. You can start off with one that looks cool, and then you can come in and completely customize it for whatever you want. All of a sudden, this is a cat one. You can have that down there. And as you can see, even just for cats, there's so many different ones here. And all of these are able to be used for commercial use. So you can sell these guys. Look at all these, just for cats. And that's just searching one thing, so it goes on and on. Then you would have dog and whatever other niche that you're into. So then we could go through and customize all that. So let's just go back though. So back on the main page, and as we go down here, on the left you can see there's different design templates. So you've got all sorts of different design templates down here, and we can change this for anything we want. And down further you've got like different tags. So there's going to be astrology, and then it'll bring up things like that. There's going to be cats, and so then you can see that might be your niche, and then you can start going in and customizing one of those. Let's say cartoonish, you like cartoon sort of designs, and it's going to give you cartoon designs that you can go in and start playing around with as well. That's showing up with the astrology because I've still got it ticked on there. I can turn that off though, and then it'll reload and only show me the cartoon ones. And then they'll have pages and pages of different ones. But as I said before, you could click on any and start customizing it however you want it to look anyway. Another thing up here is you can click on this and go best selling and see what's one of the best selling. You can see what's newest, and there's also free there as well, but we're on a paid version, so that doesn't really matter. So you can go newest and check out these designs as well. And as I said, customize literally anything that you want. So lots of different options, and you can sell any of these on your t-shirts. Really, really high quality designs. Now the next thing is we can go logo and go logo maker. And if we just go see all our templates, you could just put in a company name, brand name, whatever you want, and it'll come up with different logos with that. But I'm more interested in just having a look here because you can see that these are very cool looking t-shirt designs as well. So you have more and more pages of different logo style, but they actually look really good on t-shirts. So this one here stands out to me. So again, you can customize the text up here. You can change the color of the text. You can change the back graphic behind. You can change the gradient color on that. Over here, we can change the background from this purple. We could change that to transparent, and then we could have that going straight onto our t-shirt. The sticker, we can change that as well. So that's this one here. We could change that to whatever we want. As you can see, there's lots of different stickers. You just have to search up anything on here and you can just find so many different ones. So yeah, you can change it to whatever you want. Next one down, we've got another sticker here. So that's that one going down there. And then you can see what they've automatically searched here, Dragon Ball inspired. So it has that sort of theme to it. So these look really cool. We could also do like anime because it is similar to that and see what pops up. And as you can see straight away, there's lots of different anime ones as well. This one looks pretty scary. So it just shows you all the different sort of options you have. So if we go this one, and then let's change the, you can collapse this, and we can go background to transparent. And then this could be our t-shirt design. Let's say we were happy with that. We would just go download. Then once it's finished, we just go click here to download again. And this is our t-shirt design downloaded. As you can see, really, really high quality design. And that could be our anime inspired t-shirt. So we could make all sorts of different designs like this straight off of Placeit. So as I said, Placeit is really a one-stop shop for your t-shirt designs. You can go through, customize any of these. If there's anything you don't see, you can also contact Placeit, and they are into doing custom designs for you. So you can see there's even crypto ones in here. These are all new ones. So Bitcoin, that one's to do with Ethereum. And again, just so many different designs you can go in and start editing. And these are all, once you have the subscription, all available for you to sell commercially. So it's that easy to be creating awesome high quality designs on Placeit.net and start making them sales. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Placeit.net t-shirt tutorial, how to create t-shirts on Placeit.net. Please give the video a like for me, comment down below any questions or comments you have, and make sure you hit subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.